Going to provide an update on my road building. You can see, if you remember in the last video, I'd had to put this screed board here to kind of show me where the 10% grade was coming up to this section. I've done a lot of work here and I did not video all of it, but I'll explain a little of what's going on. I needed to build this ramp up through here so that vehicles would have a 10% grade and not be going up a steep hill. It's probably about a 10 or 15 foot incline I need to be able to get up and over. I'm a little concerned at how narrow this is in places. You can see right here specifically, this area is quite narrow, and my concern is if somebody's at nighttime or in the winter driving on this, you don't have a very wide area, and if you slide off or if you swerved off, you'd be in trouble down there. I probably can widen this a little bit. This material, some of this, I could dig it out and put it over here, and you can see I've already harvested quite a bit of material over here. Could probably take a little bit more, come over, move all this material, stack it on this section right here. I think that's what I'm going to do, make this a little bit wider, and then try and smooth it off a bit and make it so I can continue up. And then I'm going to continue on up onto that ridge up there and clean up that area, try and improve it. And also, very importantly, I want to test and see if where I'm going to build my house is solid bedrock. Because if it is, I'll need somebody with a big excavator with a hammer on it, or buy my own, to come out and take care of that. Or I could blast it, which would be really fun.